Hi, today we're diving into The Architect of Awareness, a book about treating your life like a design system instead of a random accident. We'll look at how your mind works like an operating system, why your identity isn't fixed, and how hidden scripts shape your choices. This first segment sets the stage by asking a simple question. If nothing was set in stone, what would you build? The book moves in 3 acts. First, you wake up to the metamind, the observer beneath your thoughts, habits, and identity. Then you rebuild your life domain by domain, using real, embodied practice. Finally, you gain a precise language called Meta-Matics to map, design, and scale change with intention. This video walks through all of it. You are always the architect. This is the blueprint. You've been running your life on a system you never designed. Part 1 is the wake-up call. It starts with a single question. What if the thoughts you trust, the labels you carry, and the identity you defend aren't actually you? Through 4 foundational pillars: radical honesty, flexible goals, dimensional homonymy, and fluid identity, you stop being a passenger. This is where the architect wakes up and realizes they've been holding the blueprints the whole time, then reveals the deeper structure, the 4 DP pillars of target, truth, totally, and title, plus the idea of nounships. You see how rigid labels like "I'm anxious" or "I'm a failure" keep you stuck, and how identity can become a mode instead of a prison. You learn to question perception, update your inner code. Part 2 then shows what an autonomous life looks like in motion. Daily, weekly, and seasonal rhythms keep your architecture tuned as you redesign career, creativity, relationships, health, and rest one micro shift at a time. You stop chasing fixes and start engineering. 2 turns awareness into embodiment. You map your inner fuel personalisms against your outer terrain environmentistics and discover why effort keeps burning out against misaligned environments. Through the traveler's story, you meet position of 1, the shift from reacting to circumstances to sourcing choices from your own 4DP foundation in each domain of life. Part 3 gives transformation a language, Meta-Matics. You learn a pseudo-algebraic notation where desires, constraints, and environments become variables you can map. Through the 11-step flow, the inversion kick, and iterator/delineator roles, you see why some projects stall and others thrive, and how to design change with the precision of math, not just intuition. This isn't a mindset hack or a quick reset. It's a full-stack rebuild of how you aim, interpret, choose, and act. Across 3 parts, you wake up to the meta-mind, embody an autonomous architecture, and gain a precise language for mapping change. The question is no longer, who am I supposed to be? It becomes, what will I design next? Part 3 then zooms out to full blueprints. The root square chart maps root, branches, leaves, and fruits, so change grows from concrete actions inward, not slogans outward. Advanced operators, dynamic navigation, and saturated synergization show how to read and update your life architecture in real time. You were always the architect. Close the book, and the real work starts. Each thought is an iterator, each context, a delineator. Every day, you're updating a living root square of choices, values, and futures. You can drift on default settings, or you can step into position of 1 and architect your own meaning. No one is coming to draw the map for you. You are the cartographer now. The next formula is written in your actions.